With the Maptitude Online SaaS, you can upload and map Excel or CSV data using a basic Create a Map wizard. Desktop Maptitude is not required to geocode your data and perform basic analysis with Maptitude Online. Once you've logged into your Maptitude Online account, click the Create Map tab to get started. You can then either enter or copy and paste data into the spreadsheet, or click Choose File and upload your data from a file. Click Next to start Create a Map wizard. Verify that Maptitude Online has found the correct fields for mapping and click Next. There are two types of maps that you can create from your data. You can locate your data as points on a map, or you can aggregate your data to area boundaries. First, let's show the customer data as points on a map. I want to locate the customers with as much precision as possible, so I'm going to choose this top option. Maptitude Online will try to locate all of the customers by address, and then for any records that it cannot find by address, it will do its best to find a good approximate location. Next, you have the option to create a theme using one of the fields in the data. For example, you could show the points with different colors, symbols, or sizes. I'm going to choose the Size Theme option and the Sales field so that the customers with higher sales will be larger than those with lower sales. Here, you could choose to build buffers around each of the records to visualize the areas around each feature, build straight-line areas of influence to see the areas closest to each feature, or find a weighted center for the features. I just want to see where the customers are located, so I will choose None and click Next. Enter a name for the map, and click Finish. Maptitude Online creates a map with a point icon at each customer's location and adds a card for the map. Click on the card to open the map and see exactly where each customer is located and how high their respective sales are. Click on any customer to see the name, address, and sales data for that customer. You can see that this customer, shown with a small dot, has low sales, and this customer has much higher sales. Now let's make the second kind of map, where we aggregate the customer data so that we can see how sales vary among the zip codes. Again, I'll click the Create Map tab, but this time choose the Show Zip Code Boundaries with your data attached option. Choose what type of theme to use to illustrate the data. Let's create a color theme and choose the theme field. For example, I will choose the Sales field to see the total sales by zip code. Click Next and enter a name for the map. And finally click Finish. Maptitude Online creates a map with a color theme illustrating the total sales in each zip code and adds a card for the map. Again, click the card to open the map and see how the sales compare among the zip codes. Zip codes with higher sales are shown with darker colors, and zip codes with lower sales are in lighter colors. And click on any zip code to see all of the aggregate data for the zip code, including the total sales, number of customers, and the average sales per customer. And that wraps up this video on creating maps with Maptitude Online.